And now let's update the ReviewDAO class with unit test methods. Come back to our Eclipse IDE here. Close all the editors here. Open the ReviewDAO class here. And we implement a new method here. Public review file by customer and book. This method is used to check if a customer has made a review for a book or not. So we need two parameters here: customer ID and book ID. And we need to create a new name jQuery in the domain model class review. Click here and write a new name query here. Name query. The name of the query